Folks, today I'm excited because, well, today I'm going to unbox something and I don't even know what's in it. Honestly, I really don't. And so I'm excited because, well, Gadget Club, they've sent this out to me and they're an Australian startup. And if you've ever done like one of those send me something out once per month type of things, I have. This I think is for you because these guys love tech as much as I do. So let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Nice looking little box there with some embroidered, like, you know, reflectors sort of thing. And yeah, it's a sexy looking black box, and I can hear something in there. it's kind of like Christmas every month for adults or teenagers. Hey kids, kids can do this too, you know. I'll talk about prices later, but yeah, nonetheless, let's try and get into it. There we go. Oh, all right. What have we got here? It's a wireless charging stand. Oh my gosh. Okay, awesome. So right now on my bedside table, I've got like a Pixel wireless stand, and well, this obviously would be quite awesome for someone who's got like maybe an iPhone, because it kind of suggests that you can actually charge your Apple Watch. We shall see. We shall unbox it and find out. So let's get rid of that. Mainly for iPhone 11 or above, and iWatch series and AirPod series. So I'm guessing this thing can actually do 3 chargings at once, which is pretty impressive. Let's have a look. Oh, had a choice of black or grey. I don't know if ever they send something out to you, can you kind of say to them, hey, I'd rather the grey than the black? I'm not too certain. I'll put it on the screen if I've got the answer by the time I've edited this video. What else we got? Specs are good. I need my glasses. Alright. Yeah, so it's using the Qi wireless standard. Okay, so 3-in-1. Awesome. And look, it actually says you can use your phone either vertical or horizontal. That I like, especially for those people who actually maybe have got the Pixel, well not Pixel stand, a wireless stand somewhere and they're kind of just consuming content like watching YouTube videos. Like, yeah, subscribe, thanks. So let's have a look. I'm going to keep my glasses on because I think I'm going to need to read some more. Alright, I've got a camera up there, so I'm opening up for that as well as for you guys. Which is actually the same thing. You know what I mean? Alright, what have we got? We've got a USB-A to a USB-C. Hold the phone. Get out of town. Good start. Very good start. Next is the actual stand. Wow. What else we got here? Hang on. The charging stand user manual, which is tiny. I'll plug this in and give this a test, just to be sure, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Please use a 9-volt 2-amp adapter and high quality cable to ensure the charging effect. Okay, good on you. Alright, that's pretty straightforward, so bye-bye. Let's get this unwrapped. Yeah. Ooh. Alrighty, here we go. So, there is no packed in charger. That might be an issue for some people, might not, because, well, Apple has stopped including the wall adapter like 2 generations ago now. Is it 1 or 2? I forget. But nonetheless, they're figuring that, hey, you've already got a very nice adapter from us. Just go use that again and again and again. Less e-waste is a good thing. On the back here, we've got USB-C, and on the front, it's just satisfying, very satisfying. Awesome. There's a little lightning connector down there, and a doobie Watson there, and that one there. So I think we're going to need to plug this in. But before we do, let's talk about how the system works and their pricing structure. And know that, yep, look, these guys have sent this out for free, but they actually haven't had any editorial control nor put any financial input towards it other than this free thing, which I can send back to them. So what you can do is you can elect to go just casually month per month, and that will be like $55.95. And you could also commit to doing it every month, and that brings the price right down to $35.95 per month, which is a pretty good bargain considering this sort of thing I think will cost near that, if not more. And you know what? They've even done like Google Home devices, they've done drones, they're doing gadgets, and importantly, they're doing this from Australia, which I think is great because you know what? In the past, I've done this with like American orders and I think a UK thing I did before, and you're losing out there on the conversion from American or UK pounds to Australian dollars, plus also the shipment actually adds to the cost. And so I've done t-shirts once per month, I've done like pop vinyls once per month, I've done like different gadgets and techs, you know, like those sort of light things behind me, and it's all well and good, but I think price wise these are very competitive, and if you like gadgets I think this is right up your alley. So yeah, do check out the link below, and let me know how you go if you do actually join it. Drop me a little comment, I'd like to hear from you. So with that said, let's go plug this in, check it out and give it a go. Alright, well, there you go. It's all good, it works as promised. So look, if you are interested in it, again, use the link down below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave us a comment. Consider joining me over here on Patreon. For the month of January, it's free. And yeah, from there, for like a coffee per month, you can get early access, news, polls, information that you just can't get here, including Discord perks that you just can't get if you join Discord normally, but you can join Discord for free as well. Alright, you stay good, you stay green.